Question number 11. A, B and C were the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of, here ratio is given 5:3:2, and their company's position is ABC's capital is given, loan from bank, creditors is given, and here assets, building, machinery, stock, debtors and cash is given. Now the question is, the assets were realized for these amounts, and the company also took over the creditors at 28,000 rupees. The company paid the purchase consideration by allotment of 10,000 shares of 10 each and the balance in cash. So here shares and cash is the combination of purchase consideration. The realization expenses amounted to 5,000 rupees. Show the necessary ledger accounts in the books of the firm. Now first you should find out the purchase consideration. Here assets taken over, the value is given 1,10,000, 26,32 and 20,000 for all these assets. As per it has given in the problem, you should write it here that assets taken over for building 1 lakh, machinery 10,000, stock 26, debtors 32 and goodwill for 20,000 rupees, and make the total of it 1,88,000. And they have given that less liabilities taken over, creditors also taken over for 28,000 rupees. No, so deduct 28,000 rupees. You will get 1,60,000 rupees as a purchase consideration, and it is given in the problem that here purchase consideration by allotment of 10,000 shares of 10 each. So 10,000 shares of 10 each means 1 lakh. 1 lakh and remaining is 60,000, and the balance in cash means 60,000 should be paid in cash. So total purchase consideration is 1,60,000, on that 1 lakh in shares and 60,000 in cash. This is the discharge of purchase consideration. Now move to in the books of vendor firm realization account. So in this realization account, building for 90,000, which is given in the problem, you should write all those amounts, that is building 90,000, machinery 15, stock 25, debtors 35, the bank loan is 10, creditors 30. These are the informations given in the problem. As per same amounts you should write it here, means building, machinery 90, 15, 25, 35. Same 90, 15, 25, 35 these amounts, and bank loan is also which has been given that 10,000, the same amount you should write it here as 10,000. Okay, and by limited company account 1,60,000, this 1,60,000 is the purchase consideration. And move to debit side. Here to cash account for realization expenses paid, that is the realization expenses amounted to 5,000 rupees. So to cash realization expenses is 5,000 rupees, and to cash bank loan is there, loan has been 10,000 rupees. See here, loan from bank which is 10,000 rupees. So it is 10,000, and next thing is, as usual, make the total of it, and the balance is 20,000 rupees. And this the profit sharing ratio is given in the problem that 5:3:2. So this 20,000 should be divided in that agreed ratio of 5:3:2. Here A will get 10,000, B 6,000 and C 4,000 rupees. And next thing is limited company's account. So to realization account 1,60,000 rupees assets has been realized. On that by shares 1 lakh rupees paid, and by cash 60,000 rupees. So this is the how they have divided into the realization amount into shares and cash. And shares in limited company account. So here shares 1 lakh rupees. So here just you should only consider the shares, not cash. So by shares in limited company account is 1 lakh. So in shares account to limited company account 1 lakh rupees. So this 1 lakh rupees, how they have divided, you have to calculate it. Now come to this working note. I will write it as working note. Okay. Now move to working note. Here shares of limited company are distributed among the partners in their final final claim ratio. In the absence of any information, it is calculated as follows. So here you should consider A's capital, B's capital and C's capital. See here, A's capital is 60, B 36 and C 30. 60, 36 and 30. 60, 36 and 30. Now move to here realization account. Here the profit on the realization transfer to their capital account. You have to add A, B, C's capital here. That profit 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. So plus 10 plus 6 and plus 4, that's equal to 70,000, 42,000 and 34,000. The same amount they have given it here. Okay, 70,000 for A, 42 for B and 34 for C. So now you should calculate these how they have they will divide by the same number, that is no numbers will be there by with the same number, we can't divide it. So that's why as they are, we will put it as same by cancelling these 3 zeros, that is 70 is to 42 is to 34. Okay, and these 70, 42 and 34 will be divided with the same number of 2. So 35 2s are 70, 21 2s are 42 and 17 2s are 34. So now we have reduced it into 35 is to 21 is to 17. So here number of shares is 10,000 shares. Okay, so in this 10,000 shares which is given here, that 10,000 shares of 10 each. Now we are going to distribution of shares. How we will distribute it? 10,000 shares into 35 divided by 73. 73 you will get by adding these amounts. Okay, 35 plus 21 plus 17, that's equal to 73. So 10,000 into 35 divided by 73, that's equal to 4,794 shares of 10 rupees each, means 47,940 rupees. Same for B and C. 10,000 into 21 divided by 73, that's equal to 2,877 shares of 10 rupees each, 28,770, and as same for C. Now this amount you should this partners capital account. Now see here, to shares in limited company, before this shares in limited company account, these they have 47,940, 28,770 and 23,290. As per this working note, by calculating all these things, you should write it here as there for A's capital, B's capital and C's capital, and make the balance of it. Now open partners capital account. Here the same thing you should enter it here as 2 shares in limited company account, the same amount. Okay, and by balance brought down of 60,000, 36,000, 30,000, which is given in the problem as their capital of 60, 36 and 30. Okay, 60, 36 and 30. Now by realization account, the profit 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000, that is 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Now make the total, and the balance of this account of 22,060, 13,230 and 10,710 transfers to cash account. Now next thing is the last account, you should open it as cash account. Now here to balance brought down is 1,000 rupees, which is given in the problem, and to limited company account 60,000 rupees. Here go to limited company account, by cash 60,000. Here in cash account to limited company account 60,000 rupees. And by realization account, for expenses paid, entry is by realization account in bracket expenses 5,000 rupees. Here we have entered that to cash account 5,000 rupees in the realization account. And next thing is Again, these by A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account, the same amount you have to transfer it here from their capital account. Here entry is to cash, partner's capital account, to cash, here cash account by partner's capital account, and make the total of it.